Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a fluffy Easter bunny. I purchased this egg at Dollar Tree today, and it just says egg container, and it is plastic. So you'll need one of these, and you are going to need some yarn. And this is the Chenille Chunky Yarn Mainstays brand from Walmart. You will also need your hot glue gun, your glue sticks, and some scissors for this project. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is take the sticker off, and you are going to take your little bunny and you are going to put him together. These are so cute too. Sorry if it's loud. Okay, and it snaps together just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of hot glue so that it doesn't pop apart, but you can see how cute it is. So we're gonna make a little bunny using our yarn. And like I said, I wanna add just a little bit of hot glue so that I make sure that it stays popped together and doesn't pop apart. But I think it would stay together anyways. Oh, look, it's not popped together good right there. Okay, so just make sure you have your little bunny snap together good and hot glue its sides. Okay, and I'm gonna let this dry for just a little bit and we'll be right back to add some yarn. We're gonna start on the bottom of the bunny. And what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun and I am just going to go around the edge and make a little strip of hot glue around the bottom of the bunny. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my yarn, I'm gonna start at the back of the bunny, and I'm gonna just carefully place the yarn in the hot glue and press it down. Okay, then I'm going to add another glue stick to my glue gun, and I'm going to do the same steps and keep going around my bunny. So give me just a second to add some more glue. Okay, so just keep going around your bunny and just add a little bit of glue and then put your yarn across the glue, trying to keep it as straight as you can when you're circling around the bottom of your bunny. And just press the yarn into the hot glue. And it takes quite a bit of hot glue. So just keep circling around. And we'll pause the camera so that we can do a few more rows for you so that you can see how it looks. Here's how it looks so far. So we're just adding a little hot glue, then placing the yarn in it. So it's really simple to do. You just gotta try to keep your yarn as straight as possible and just keep going around your little egg bunny. Just push it together so that the purple does not show. My daughter is working on its little face right now. Same steps. Just make sure you're pulling it tight and trying to go as straight as possible around your little bunny. And I think we're going to add a bow its little neck, and I also have a cottontail that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And then I purchased a little pom-pom kit, like to make a little Easter bunny's face. So we may add eyes and a nose, make a little face too. We're not sure just yet. This is the little bunny tail I purchased at Dollar Tree, and it just clips on. And here's some Easter ribbon I purchased at Dollar Tree. And here's a little pom-pom kit with a little bunny face. And she almost has the bunny completely covered with yarn. Okay, now she is going to work on the little bunny's ear. My daughter thinks it looks like a little peep. So it really would look like a peep if you did it yellow, wouldn't it? Okay, and so she's just doing the same steps basically around its little ears. You can wrap a few times and then glue maybe every other wrap. You're doing good. It's looking cute. Okay, and just cut that little piece off and hot glue it to the back. So cute. Looks good. Okay, now we're going to start working on the left ear. Same steps. Then for the top of its little head, I think we're going to have to cut a strip of yarn and kind of make a little circle pattern so that there's not any purple showing. He's adorable. Super cute. Okay, there's just a little bit of his head showing. So she's just going to cut a little strip of yarn and try to fill in that spot. Looks good, sis. Okay, I'm just going to take the ribbon and I'm just going to tie a simple little bow around his neck. Okay, she's gonna glue on a little white pom-pom for the nose, and we decide to go with some little white felt pieces for the ears. And the felt pieces were in the little pom-pom kit from Dollar Tree. Super cute, sweetie. Okay, and you could, if you didn't want to do the ears and the nose and the bow on front, you could turn it around backwards and do the little cottontail if you wanted to. And I just want to show you something else. The little kit came with the little googly eyes, and it came with the white pieces for the ears and also the pink felt for the ears. So it's a really cute little set. But here's our little yarn bunny. I think it turned out so cute, and it was so simple to make and so fun to make. So I hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel, guys, if you have not already, and like and share. And we hope you have a great Easter. Thank you so much for watching.